So I'm still putting in this cable. One difference I've discovered is that the cable usually hangs over the edge here. It doesn't go around because this optical drive, or the DVD drive, connects into this board. So it doesn't actually need the cable to go up here. So it just hangs over the edge for the moment with this cable. And then we're connected to the main board. So that's 1/3 of the problems sort of solved. Easy does it, boards rumbling around at the back. Alright, so next thing you want to do is just make sure you get it nice and flush, and it is. Thomson drive's still intact. And this just flaps across here, which sort of explains why this is blank, I guess. And I guess we'll come back in a second because I need to put the hard drive in there. I guess this is sort of where the fun begins, because while this top bit's okay, in the right orientation to plug into this board, I suspect the cables usually go in the other way around. Actually, I can check using the reference cable. So that bit goes to the main board, and then, yeah. Oh, I might be right, unless I'm looking at the wrong cable. Is this cable out of this? Yeah, it must be. So that's what the original cable looks like. So main board on the left. This goes to the board, and then we've got this guy that just folds around to the drive. I must admit, when it comes to folding these cables the right way, I am not very good. It's like, I'm sure it goes this way, and then I look at it and I go, no, it goes the other way, twice. Well, that looks more like it might be the best way to do it. It's sort of looping around. Just need to put a fold in there or here. It'll work itself out, maybe 2 folds. Yeah. Let's see what I can do, and we'll cut back again. Snug as a bug. Pretty much like that. So it sort of doubles back a little bit, and then comes back around, does its fold thing, along it goes, doubles back again, and in there. Probably could have used a shorter cable now that I think about it. And along here, this is a 24-inch. I don't know, maybe an 18 would have been enough. So I didn't realise the design was that different when I bought it. And that one I'm going to need to sort of tuck back in and under the board. But apart from that, it looks pretty snazzy. I wonder if it actually works. I don't know if it'll be functional yet. I guess I'll find out very shortly. As you can probably see here, we've got these little cable guides here, which is very nice of Microsoft to pop in. So I've managed to get that in a little bit further, just sort of folded it over itself because, yeah, it's very difficult to work out exactly how long it's meant to be. I guess technically it doesn't matter too much where it's folded over, right? Or that it's doing 1, 2, 3 passes of itself. It's all good. It's all for the greater good. To get that board in. The powers that be decided that I am not good enough at cutting the end off an IDE cable, and I'm also no good at recrimping them. So, as a result, we're sticking with the original cable for that one. Shouldn't make too much of a difference. I mean, this isn't going to be used anyway. But you can FTP in. Of course, so it's all mostly in. There's just this bit to go there-ish. There-ish. Need to realign some of those screws, obviously. Cool. Actually, just quickly looking at it, I forgot this is a dev kit, so it's actually got like this much space on top, so I can actually untuck this cable. And just let it sit there. It will not mind one bit. So plenty of slack as well. Too much slack, perhaps. Yeah. Looks cozy. Just fatten this one up a bit. Yeah, that's good. Looking good. Alright, so we're hooked into power in the television now. Let's see what happens. hopefully we'll just boot up to whatever on earth I put on there last. Which I'm assuming would be the developer thing, the recovery disk. Yay, XDK launcher. It doesn't look like I've copied across anything, so we'll just watch a dolphin swimming around. What a time to be alive. So that's good. That sort of indicates that the hard drive is working okay. I could probably find a way to... I need an Xbox game. I don't think I actually have an Xbox game. Isn't that a problem to have? I have no physical Xbox game, so I can't test the DVD drive beyond doing that. Just made it go to an Xbox logo. I guess it was ejecting the disc. So this is 5933.1. So I'm guessing 5843, which is the number that comes to mind, is the one that I installed initially and then updated to 5933, which may have been an internal build, from what I understand. So we actually run on here. Bleep, 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 bloop, 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 bleep, bleep, bloop, bloop, bloop. So the kernel's 5455. 5659. That sound right? I don't know. It's hard to keep up with these things. They're always updating everything all the time. One thing I do need to do is have a look at the memory card. Okay, so it doesn't really have anything. Good. Didn't think it would have anything. I was just checking it didn't have any soft mod stuff on it. So I'm quite happy it didn't. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the cable installed. What I'll do now is I'll probably go through and yellow neighborhood going, copy across some retail games, get a nice dashboard on there, maybe Unleash X or something. Then you boot that from inside the XDK loader and then you can load your own games. Quite fun. McRetro out. Why are you chirping so much? You're making my videos sound like I live in an aviary. Yeah, I know it's you, Tilly. Come back here. What are you doing, hey? Does it taste like Xbox? Troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. So are you, Chip.